Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to find and add your logo using the logo agent in Simplebooklet. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to select the design tab for the booklet that we want to update. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the AI Agents button. Then we're going to scroll down to apply your logo and click Start. And then you can see here we have our logo agent. We're just going to click Run on that. And then from here, we're going to enter our organization's website and click Search. The logo agent will scan your website and show you the logos it finds. So you can see here we have 5 different logos that it found, and we can just tap on one to apply it. And you get a little notification here letting you know that it's been added to your library. Just click OK. And as you can see now, it will show under your logo section. You can click the pencil icon next to it to customize it. So from here, we can select the placement of our logo on our nav bar, menu, and browser tab. We can add a name to our logo and then add a link to it as well. And then whenever you want, you can replace it or delete it from this section as well. And once everything looks good to go, just select Done. And then head over to the Done button in the top right corner here. And now your logo has been added to your Simplebooklet. And that's it for this video. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.